Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use coupons on CNFANS. So for that, all you'll have to do is you'll have to open your browser and go to cnfans.com, and then you'll have to log in with your account. So from the home page, you'll see this bar. You'll have to order a product, submit your order. So from that, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then go to my account. So after pressing your account, you'll see this bar here. Please enter redeem code, and you'll see your available coupons code here as well. And also, if you've used any before, you will see the used coupons here as well. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to simply copy and paste the coupon code here and press exchange, and you'll get your coupon redeemed. Also, what you can do is you can go to your wallet, and then here you'll see a coupon tab here. Press on it, and then you can redeem your coupon here as well, and simply copy paste and press exchange. So this is how you can use your coupon in CNFANS. That was all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.